Hi, good evening all. I'm Vishnu from MELSS System and Services. Now we are representing in Expo Hall that we are showing that dispenser of the help of medical, so that we have used the Epson robot, so that you can see that the size of the blue dispenser will be uniform and the flow will be correct, so that you can eliminate the damages or else error proofing, so that we all do all the types of robot application also. Whereas we have used Econ dispenser, whereas it will dispense the accurate number of glue need to be dispersed. And then if you can see zoom here, so that you can see that the dispensing unit will be so micron levels, you can see the. So, and we are also have a mission system placed over here, so that we have used the QR code scanner with the vision system, whereas you can see the presence and absence of the component, and based on your mother part, the child part is being matched or not. So that before you go into the packing, it will be arrested in the manufacturing laboratory. Cooperative robot from the Zuzan. We are exclusive partner for Zuzan. And then now we are here show that PCB board part testing and mismatching of the component will be arrested over here before end user customer will dispatch. So this camera will be scanned the part. So based on that, barcode number will be generated. Along with that, the child part will be married or not married will scan, and it's not scanned also. It will be captured the image, so that presence and absence also will be captured over here. It will be stored in your database, so that you can also easily arrest the error proofing or man kind of error service before packing it. So this kind of solution we are giving to the customer. So like factory wise we are giving, even robotic application like machine learning application we are giving, so that our focus always used to be error proofing, like manpower eliminating is our and then matching ROI. So return of investment is the most common thing in the factory development. That also we are understanding. And then we are into software, hardware, and then we are into own manufacturing of IIoT. Of investment is a common thing in the factory development. That also we are understanding. And then we are into software, hardware, and then we are into own manufacturing of IIoT. And then we are into robotics. And turnkey solution we are providing. We see over here, from the raw material to warehouse management we are providing, and raw material to warehouse management providing, and then the inside software what all automation required, like conveyor automation, robotic machine learning, and then taking the OEM from the machine data, and then tracking wise, commercial wise and manpower wise, and then OEM wise we are providing them, and then inspection palletization, and the factory from the truck going out of the factory we have the components, even it returning back for the warranty purpose. You can also trace at what time, by which machine, which operator, by what vendor the raw materials come from, all the traceability, and we can do reverse tracking also.